Alright, adding and subtracting polynomials. Alright, so if we did this before, these were with the expressions, it's still the same thing, it's just you're going to have a lot more with polynomials, you're going to have a lot more like terms. But it still comes back to 5 plus 3 monkeys gives you 8 monkeys. And when you see this, it says 4 x's plus 7 x's, which is 11 x's. 3 monkeys, 2 monkeys gives us 5 monkeys, plus 2 apples. And then this is 8 x's, take away 5x squareds plus 6x squareds. So that means we have 8 x's, because it has no other like term there, and 6x squareds. There is no exponent change on any of these because we are not multiplying. Exponents are multiplication. Addition is just combining like terms. If you had 5 monkeys and 3 monkeys, you get 8 monkeys, not 8 monkeys squared or 8 monkeys cubed. It's just monkeys. Same with apples and everything else you add together. Alright, so for polynomial addition, what we're going to have is 2 giant polynomials, sometimes smaller ones, but we're looking for like terms. So if you look at it, you have x fifths, x cubes, x squareds, x's, and 2's. Sorry, not 2's, whole numbers, or integers, or real numbers. Let's just call them real numbers. In fact, let's just call them constants. And then we have x cubes, x squareds, and some more constants. Alright, and what you're going to do is just take like terms with like terms. So you have 4x cubed. We're going to come over here and put it right underneath the x cubes. You have x squareds, so let's put those with the other x squareds. And the minus 2 with the minus 2. This is just like adding whole numbers. You're just going to line up place value with place value. So here we're lining up like term with like term. And you're just going to combine them. That's minus 4. Then you have 5 x's. Well, minus 3 plus 5 is 2 x squared. So we have to put a joiner in there, a plus. 4x cubes take away 1x cube is 3x cubes plus 7x to the fifth. And that's it. That's all you're doing with adding polynomials. You're just going to find like term with like term. Okay? So now let's try it with subtraction. Well, with subtraction, remember we're just supposed to use a little distributing. So you want to first change them into what they're supposed to be. So it's minus 4x cubes minus 5x squareds plus 2. And then now we can come over here and put them with their like terms. So x cubes with x cubes, x squareds with x squareds, constants with constants. So minus 2 plus 2, that's 0, so we don't need it. Plus 5 x's, minus 8x squareds, minus 5x cubes, and then a 7x to the fifth. So if we write all this out, we get that for our final polynomial. And that's all you're doing for adding and subtracting. Like terms with like terms. So give these a shot. Hit pause and try them. Alright, and there's your answer. So you should have minus, well, you can look at all of them. Give them a shot. Alright, thank you.